Hello students, welcome to my channel Engineering Maths तड़का। ये चैनल के ज़रिए आप इंजीनियरिंग मैथमेटिक्स 4 का टॉपिक्स आसान तरीके से सीख सकते हैं। चलिए पहला टॉपिक शुरू करते हैं, लीनियर अलजेब्रा, थियोरी ऑफ मैट्रिसेस। Today's topic which we are going to cover is eigenvalues and its properties. For that, we need to consider a square matrix which is denoted by A, lambda a scalar, I a unit matrix of same order. When you write the determinant A minus lambda I, we call it as characteristic polynomial. When you write the equation determinant A minus lambda I is equal to 0, that becomes a characteristic equation. The roots of this characteristic equation, determinant A minus lambda I is equal to 0, we call it as eigenvalues. Okay? Now, let us understand the properties of eigenvalues. First property says, sum of the eigenvalues is always equal to sum of the diagonal elements. For a 3 by 3 matrix, it is denoted by lambda 1 plus lambda 2 plus lambda 3. Second property says, product of eigenvalues is always equal to determinant of A. For a 3 by 3 matrix, product of eigenvalues can be written as lambda 1 into lambda 2 into lambda 3, which is nothing but determinant of A. इसी तरह अगर मैट्रिक्स अपर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स दिया है या लोअर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स दिया है तो आइगन वैल्यूज कैसे निकालना है? आइगन वैल्यूज आर नथिंग बट इट्स डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स. ओके, सो आइगन वैल्यूज ऑफ द गिवन मैट्रिक्स ए कैसे डिनोट करते हैं? लैम्डा से डिनोट करते हैं. इसी तरह आइगन वैल्यूज ऑफ ए इनवर्स को कैसे डिनोट करना है? 1 अपॉन लैम्डा से डिनोट करना है. आइगन वैल्यूज ऑफ एडजॉइंट ऑफ ए का फॉर्मूला क्या दिया है? डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ए अपॉन लैम्डा. ओके, so these 6 points, if you remember, for the examination point of view, you can solve any sum based on eigenvalues. Okay, let us start the first example. If a is equal to 1024, then find the eigenvalues of 4a inverse plus 3a plus 2i. Whatever sums which I am covering, they are university graded sums. The topic which I am going to cover today, the weightage for this topic is 5 marks. Okay, so what is the matrix which is given, students? If you observe, the matrix is a lower triangular matrix. लोअर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स का डेफिनेशन क्या है? लीडिंग डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स के ऊपर जितने भी एलिमेंट्स हैं वो ज़ीरो रहना चाहिए. यहाँ पे एलिमेंट्स क्या दिया है? डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स आर नथिंग बट 1 and 4. तो 4 के ऊपर ज़ीरो है, इसके लिए ये मैट्रिक्स को लोअर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स बताते हैं. सो हाउ डू यू राइट? सिंस द गिवन मैट्रिक्स इज लोअर ट्रायंगुलर, अगर मैट्रिक्स लोअर ट्रायंगुलर है तो आइगन वैल्यूज़ कैसे निकालना है? Eigenvalues are nothing but its diagonal elements, isn't it? So eigenvalues are its diagonal elements you have to write. Okay, so what are the eigenvalues? How do we denote eigenvalues? They are denoted by lambda. Lambda is equal to 1 comma 4. Now we know that eigenvalues of A is denoted by lambda, which is equal to 1 comma 4. Now we know that eigenvalues of A inverse, it is denoted by 1 by lambda. Therefore, you will be getting the values as 1 comma 1 by 4. Now, what is that we need to find out? We need to find out the eigenvalues of 4A inverse plus 3A plus 2I. How do we get the values? First value is 4 into 1 plus 3 into 1 plus 2 into 1. How do we get the second value? 4 into A inverse का second eigenvalue क्या है? 1 by 4 plus 3 into second eigenvalue of A is nothing but 4 plus you are getting 2 into 1. If you simplify this, your values will be 9, 15. 4 plus 3 plus 2 will give you 9. 1 plus 12 plus 2 will give you 15. Okay. So this is the first sum which is based on lower triangular matrix. Okay. Let us take the second example as if A is equal to minus 1, 2, 3, 0, 3, 5, 0, 0, minus 2. Okay, this is the given matrix. You need to find the eigenvalues of A cube plus 5A plus 8I. Okay. Again, this question is asked for 5 marks in the exam, students. What is A? A is the matrix which is an upper triangular matrix. What is the definition of upper triangular matrix? लीडिंग डायगनल एलिमेंट्स के नीचे जितने भी एलिमेंट्स है वो ज़ीरो रहना चाहिए. ठीक है. डायगनल एलिमेंट्स क्या है? -1, 3, -2. -1 के नीचे 2 एलिमेंट्स है, 2 एलिमेंट्स ज़ीरो है. इसी तरह 3 इज़ द नेक्स्ट डायगनल एलिमेंट, 3 के नीचे भी ज़ीरो दिखा है. इसके लिए ये मैट्रिक्स को अपर ट्राइंगुलर मैट्रिक्स बताते हैं. ठीक है. सो हाउ डू यू राइट? सिंस द गिवन मैट्रिक्स इज upper triangular, if the matrix is upper triangular, what are the eigenvalues? Eigenvalues are nothing but its diagonal elements, isn't it? So what are the diagonal elements here? We see -1, 3 and -2 are nothing but the diagonal elements. Therefore you will be writing lambda is equal to -1, 3, -2. Now what is that you will have to find? Eigenvalues of A cube plus 5A plus 8I. You will be getting it as -1 the whole cube plus 5 into -1 plus 8 into 1, comma 3 cube plus 5 into 3 plus 8 into 1, comma the last value is nothing but -2 the whole cube plus 5 into -2 plus 8 into 1. When you simplify this, you will be getting -1 minus 5 plus 8. Then you have 27 plus 15 plus 8. Then you have -8 minus 10 plus 8. Okay. So what is the final answer? 2, 50, -10 are nothing but the eigenvalues of A cube plus 5A plus 8I. Okay. In this example, what we have seen, if the given matrix is upper triangular matrix, how to find eigenvalues. ठीक है. चलिए third example सीखेंगे. What is the third example? Find the eigenvalues of the adjoint matrix. Okay. Adjoint of the matrix A is given as what? 2, 0, -1, 0, 2, 0, -1, 0, 2. Okay, this is an important sum once again. So, adjoint of A कैसे निकालते हैं? फॉर्मूला क्या सीखा है? Eigen values of adjoint of A is nothing but what? It is nothing but determinant of A upon lambda, isn't it? So, first let us write the characteristic equation. What is the characteristic equation? Characteristic equation is given by mod A minus lambda I is equal to 0. Okay. So let us introduce one simple formula. To reduce the complexity of the problem, you can use this formula. What is the formula says? Lambda cube minus sum of the diagonal elements into lambda square. Okay. Then comes plus sum of the minors of diagonal elements. Minors of diagonal elements निकालना है और उसको लैम्डा से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. ठीक है. माइनस डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ A इज इक्वल टू 0. ध्यान से देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव साइन दिया है पहले, फिर नेगेटिव साइन, फिर पॉजिटिव साइन, फिर नेगेटिव साइन, ऑल्टरनेटिवली पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव साइंस दिया है, उसको आप ध्यान से याद रखना है. ठीक है. सो भी सम ऑफ द डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स क्या है? सम ऑफ द डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स are nothing but what? 2 plus 2 plus 2 by observation, which is nothing but 6. Sum of the minor of diagonal elements. Minors of diagonal elements कैसे निकालते हैं? Minor of first diagonal element. First diagonal element क्या है? 2. उसका क्या? Minor of 2 is nothing but determinant of 2 0 0 2. कैसे समझ में आया है आपको? फर्स्ट डायगनल एलिमेंट का माइनर निकालना है तो फर्स्ट डायगनल एलिमेंट कहाँ पे है? फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट, इजंट इट? सो यू हैव टू एलिमिनेट द फर्स्ट रो एंड द फर्स्ट कॉलम और डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ 2 0 0 2 आपको लिखना है. इसी तरह माइनर ऑफ सेकेंड डायगनल एलिमेंट. सेकेंड डायगनल एलिमेंट क्या है? 2 अगेन. सो एलिमिनेट द सेकेंड रो एंड द सेकेंड कॉलम and take the determinant of 2 minus 1 2. Similarly, you take the minor of the last diagonal element to eliminate the third row and the third column. Take the determinant of 2 0 0 2. Okay, you will be getting the values as 4 plus 3 plus 4, which will give you 11. Okay, 11 आया है sum of the minors of diagonal elements. Now the next step is what? Determinant of A. Determinant of A का value क्या है? 2 into 4 minus 0 minus 1 into 2 will give you 6. Okay. Now characteristic equation कैसे लिखना है आपको? Therefore lambda cube minus 6 lambda square plus 11 lambda minus 6 is equal to 0. Now calculator use करके ये equation का roots आप आसान तरीके से निकाल सकते हैं, बट मैं यहाँ पे सिंथेटिक डिवीजन यूज़ करके आपको रूट्स कैसे निकालना है सिखाने वाली हूँ. ठीक है. सिंथेटिक डिवीजन में आपको क्या करना है? इक्वेशन का कोएफिशिएंट वैल्यूज लिखना है. लैम्डा क्यूब का कोएफिशिएंट वैल्यू क्या है? 1. और लैम्डा स्क्वायर का कोएफिशिएंट वैल्यू -6. लैम्डा का कोएफिशिएंट वैल्यू 11 है और कांस्टेंट वैल्यू दिया है -6. ठीक है. Now synthetic division method we call it as trial and error method. Okay, so पहले equation में 1 पुट करके आपको देखना है तो equation satisfy हो रहा है कि नहीं. Okay, lambda के जगह अगर 1 पुट किया है तो क्या आता है आपको? Value 1 minus 6 plus 11 minus 6, which will give you 0. Therefore we have identified that one of the factor is 1. Okay, so 1 को यहाँ पे लिखना है और 1 के नीचे यहाँ पे 0 लिखना है. 1 plus 0 will give you 1. 1 into 1 is nothing but 1. Minus 6 plus 1 is -5. 1 into -5 is -5. 11 minus 5 will give you 6. 1 into 6 will give you 6. -6 plus 6 क्या होता है? 0. Okay? हमेशा रिमाइंडर 0 आना चाहिए. Okay. So now when you are going to write in the form of an equation, it will be lambda minus 1 into lambda square minus 5 lambda plus 6 is equal to 0. So what are the roots here? Lambda minus 1 into lambda minus 2 into lambda minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore lambda is equal to 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Now what is that we will have to do? Eigen values of adjoint A निकालना है. Eigen values of adjoint A क्या है? Formula says determinant of A upon lambda. It is nothing but determinant of A upon lambda 1, comma determinant of A upon lambda 2 and determinant of A upon lambda 3. What are the values? Determinant of A कितना मिला है आपको? Determinant of A is nothing but 6 you got. Okay. So let us write it as 6 upon lambda 1 का value 1 है. And again 6 by 2 you will be getting 6 by 3. Okay. So after simplification you will be getting the values as 6, 3 and 2. Okay. So in this example we have seen how to find eigenvalues using the property of adjoint matrix. Okay. Eigenvalues of adjoint A is determinant of A upon lambda. ये formula use करके आइगन वैल्यूज कैसे निकालना है हमने सीखा है. ओके. फोर्थ important sum from this topic is, let us see, if A is equal to x, 4x, 2y. Okay, a 2 by 2 matrix is given, has eigenvalues 5 and -1. Okay, then find values of x and y. Okay, 5 marks question students for the examination point of view. इसको सॉल्व करने के लिए प्रॉपर्टीज यूज करेंगे. What are the values which are given? Eigen values for a 2 by 2 matrix are denoted by lambda 1 and lambda 2, isn't it? Given lambda 1 is equal to 5, lambda 2 is equal to -1. What is that we have studied? Sum of the eigen values is equal to sum of the diagonal elements, isn't it? So what are the diagonal elements? Sum of the diagonal elements कैसे लिखेंगे? It can be written as lambda 1 plus lambda 2. What is it? It is nothing but x plus y. Lambda 1 is x and lambda 2 is y. So lambda 1 plus lambda 2 is equal to x plus y you have written. Substitute the values of lambda 1 and lambda 2. You will be getting 5 minus 1, which is nothing but 4, isn't it? Therefore, x plus y is equal to what? 4 you got. Let us consider it as equation 1. What is the second property which we have seen? Product of eigenvalues. What is product of eigenvalues, students? It is denoted by what? Determinant of A. So what is it? Determinant of A is nothing but lambda 1 into lambda 2, isn't it? So what is determinant of A? xy minus 8x is nothing but your determinant of A. So you will be writing xy minus 8x is equal to lambda 1 is 5 and lambda 2 is what? It is nothing but -1, which you will be getting the value as -5. So using the first equation, we can write y is equal to 4 minus x. पहला इक्वेशन क्या है? x plus y is equal to 4. So यहाँ से y का वैल्यू क्या होगा? y is equal to 4 minus x. So first equation से y is equal to 4 minus x कंसिडर करना है. और let us consider this xy minus 8x is equal to -5 as equation 2. So substitute the value of y is equal to 4 minus x in equation 2. Then what you will be having? x into y के जगह 4 minus x put कीजिए, minus 8x is equal to -5. Okay? So ये equation form में आप लिख सकते हैं 4x minus x square minus 8x is equal to -5 you will be getting. So in the form of an equation, if you are going to write, what you will be getting? You will be getting x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, minus x square plus 4x minus 8x is equal to -5 can be written as x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. When you simplify this, you will be getting the values as x minus 1 into x plus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, your values of x are -5 comma 1. Okay. So, when you substitute x is equal to -5 in y is equal to 4 minus x, what is the value which you will be getting? Your value of y is equal to 4 plus 5 you will be getting, which is nothing but 9. In a similar way, when x is equal to 1, what is the value of y, students? Y is equal to 4 minus 1, which will give you 3. Okay. So, using two simple properties of eigenvalues, we have seen how to find the values of x and y in this particular example. Okay. So, the last example for today's lecture is, again, let us conclude with one more university graded sum. What is that? The sum of the eigenvalues of a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay. It is given as say 6. And the product of eigenvalues. Product of eigenvalues क्या है? It is also given as 6. Okay. Now what we have to do? If one of the eigenvalue is given as 1, then we need to find the other eigenvalues. Okay, find the other two eigenvalues. So this theoretical question है, but using the properties we can easily solve the sum, students. What is given? The sum of the eigenvalues of a 3 by 3 matrix is given. What do you understand by this? Given lambda 1 plus lambda 2 plus lambda 3 is equal to 6. What is the next statement? Product of eigenvalues is also given as 6, meaning lambda 1 into lambda 2 into lambda 3 is given as 6. Okay. If one of the eigenvalue is 1, what do you understand by this? Let us write, let lambda 1 is equal to 1. If you substitute lambda is equal to 1 here, what will happen? You will be getting two equations. What are they? Lambda 2 plus lambda 3 is equal to 5. Let us consider it as equation 1. Lambda 2 into lambda 3 will give you what? 6 you will be getting. Okay. So let this be equation 2, students. Okay. So from the second equation, what is that we will observe? Lambda 3 you can write it as 6 by lambda 2. Okay. Now you substitute this value of lambda 3 in the first equation. Then when you substitute lambda 3 is equal to 6 by lambda 2, your equation 1 will look like lambda 2 plus 6 upon lambda 2 is equal to 5. Okay. So when you simplify this furthermore, let us complete the solution here itself. Lambda 2 plus 6 by lambda 2 is equal to 5. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो कैसे आएगी इक्वेशन? लैम्डा 2 स्क्वायर माइनस 5 लैम्डा 2 प्लस 6 इज इक्वल टू 0. ठीक है. सो इसको कैसे सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे? फैक्टर्स क्या है? लैम्डा 2 इंटू लैम्डा 2 माइनस 3 माइनस 2 इंटू लैम्डा 2 माइनस 3 इज इक्वल टू 0. तो लैम्डा 2 का वैल्यू क्या आया है? 2 और लैम्डा 2 इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? 3 you got. Okay. So when you substitute your lambda 2 is equal to 2, what is the value of lambda 3? Lambda 3 क्या है? 6 by lambda 2. So it will become 6 upon 2, which is nothing but 3. In a similar way, when lambda 2 is equal to 3, what is the value of lambda 3? 6 by 3 is equal to 2. Okay. So this is what is about today's lecture, students. Thank you so much. We will meet in the next lecture with the new topic, how to find eigenvectors. Thank you.